Hello class and welcome to English 101, and this is week 10 of English 101. For this week in English 101 you will be working on your health essay and you will be working on peer reviews as well. I'm just going to go to the actual discussion board because this week you're going to be peer reviewing the quality of each other's works cited sources. So I would like you to put together an alphabetical listing of the sources that you've cited in MLA, and you will answer a couple questions about the author's credentials for the each of the citations. Questions like, what are the author's credentials? Meaning, does that person have a PhD? Does that person have a background in the topic? Is that person a scientist, a researcher, a doctor, a newspaper editor, and so forth and so on. Also, you will be having other people look at your works cited and peer review it to answer the questions as well. Additionally, you'll be writing your essay, and I will go to the assignments page right now for that. Your health essay is an argumentative essay, so it does require that you have a very strong point of view that you'd like to share with your readers in your thesis statement. It should be a very strong opinion about your topic, preferably with a why, which is your plan of development. In this health essay, not only will you be strongly supporting your points with facts, examples, research from an outside source that support your point, and maybe even personal examples or examples that you know of. At some point in your essay, you'll be adding what's called a refutation paragraph. A refutation paragraph is a paragraph that addresses your opponent's strongest point and also knocks down that point in that same paragraph. So, for instance, if you're writing about the fact that organic foods are really the best way to go in terms of our health and our diet, an opponent might be someone who doesn't think organic foods are worth the money because they tend to be expensive. So you will address your opponent's strongest point in that paragraph, but you'll also knock down the point. Let's say, for instance, your opponent says it's not worth the money. Organic foods are very expensive and it's not proven that they're any healthier. Well, you can come back and say that a lot of the organic foods are certified by a quality assurance independent organization, and the foods have to be without pesticides for 7 years in the soil and so forth. So you can come back and knock down that point. And that's called a refutation. So not only are you addressing the point in your paragraph, you're also knocking it down. And the topics are listed for your health essay here about food and about chemical processing and so forth and so on. And the final draft of your health essay is due the middle or end of the week, so check the calendar to see when it's actually due. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.